If you got a truck and you need emergency lights, these lights right here, I would definitely recommend, simply because of how easy they are installed, but most importantly, they just last. So there are about 5 or 6 different light features on it. You can easily run wire to your cigarette outlet, so then that way you can change the different light patterns. But having these on the back of your car will just simply make sure that the people behind you know that, hey, I'm in an emergency, get out of my way. But again, how bright they are and the different light patterns, very cool to have on your truck if you need these. Again, super easy to install, great different lighting patterns, so then that way, depending on your situation or your mood, you can change your light patterns. Again, the stickiness on the back are fantastic, and they also have clips that you can do just to secure them.